know that 75% of the world's farmed animals are in Asia, but only 8% of the global funding is going into Asia. And because of this staggering gap, the advocates on the ground are really struggling to do the work for the animals. At AAA, we are trying to change that. We have identified 3 critical gaps in the movement in Asia. Number 1, lack of funding. Number 2, lack of trained advocates. And number 3, lack of culturally relevant interventions. So to bridge these gaps, we have launched 2 programs. 1, our re-granting program to redirect resources to local advocates. And number 2, our fellowship and incubation program, train local advocates, and together we incubate interventions that are proven to be culturally impactful, like school programs and diet change, policy change campaigns. Our team is in the best position to make impactful changes in Asia with our local networks, cultural awareness, and our lifelong commitment to the region. Since 2020, we have already trained more than 20,000 advocates in Asia, and we work in 7 countries, all led by local leadership. You can help us grow this movement even bigger in Asia by supporting our work. So please join this exciting movement.
Animal Alliance Asia, congratulations.